you have been to the channel before, welcome back. If you are brand new, welcome. I'm gonna first just call out the elephant in the room. This channel has zero consistency. Like, if you look at all my previous videos, like a drum video, outdoor video, this channel is just not consistent. It's not consistent as I want it to be. YouTube specifically has been a platform for me that has been very, very difficult to just like find my thing, like not emulate anything else that has already like existed in the history of YouTube. I feel like I do better in short-term content, reels and just static posts, but what I find myself doing, or I found myself doing, is like trying to emulate things that are either like already existing or pulling too much inspiration to the point to where like it no longer feels like me. When I was growing up, you know, watching YouTube videos, obviously I watched a lot of outdoor videos, I watched a lot of like vlog style videos, Guilty Pleasure, Emma Chamberlain, a guy named I Am Jake, he has like a cool Jeep page, a bunch of overlanding stuff like Trail Recon, Justin B. McBride, Light Bright Nation, like just a bunch of stuff. One thing that even got me into this in the first place is that I saw no people of color. I didn't see anyone that looked like me on the YouTube space doing it, any of the things I was interested in. And that's kind of been like the ethos and thesis behind even like diving headfirst into the outdoor space, especially like the marketing space, trying to just create a more accessible outdoor space, which I'll kind of segue more to later with an event we're doing later today. I want to make sure that as I'm doing these things, I'm just being me, and I don't want to share stuff if it's not me. So I'm not gonna lie, there's videos in the past that I have like not even touched. I haven't even started editing because it wasn't me. I was trying to be something I'm not. It didn't feel authentic, and that's my number one thing. If what I'm doing isn't a representation of me, my character, my heart, I don't want to share it. My last video, when I did my solo trip in Texas, I was actually sick. I got sick like day one.
This is my first time speaking since I stopped talking, and my throat hurts still. I don't know how I'm feeling.
Half the videos I'm like just coughing and mucus is TMI. I know, you didn't ask. With this channel, I want to get more consistent. I want to get more comfortable just being me and not trying to be all serious and cinematic. Just want to share what I'm doing because I have a lot of really cool things I'm really excited to share with you guys. So this is day one of consistency. I'm not going to put some sort of like, my butt's getting hot. I'm not going to put some sort of like video every month kind of thing. I'm going to just be as consistent as I can be with my life and all that goes on. So with that being said, today got a lot going on. Right now I'm heading to meet my beautiful, elegant, gorgeous girlfriend for a trail run. So yeah, heading over to Water Parks. See you when we pull in. So we just pulled into the Deep Well Trailhead entrance of the Warner Parks. This park is truly amazing. Not only is this the park that I personally, you know, come to run, hike, think, walk, all the things, but this this park has, I don't even know, it has miles of trail. Run a full 50K here if you wanted to, just by connecting certain trails. And I just found out yesterday in a meeting actually, this park has over 3,200 acres. Like that is that is crazy to me. It's technically like a city park. Metro runs it. Elena should be pulling up here any minute. I'm gonna get a little stretch in.
Is it recording? It is recording. This is so fun. You can probably see that I didn't wash my face today because we're going on a run. Okay, I'm done. Perfect pre-run snack. Actually, they don't sponsor me. A beef stick, an apple, another beef stick, and I'm going camping later. So I got all my snacks. I'm breaking in some new trail running shoes, some new hookups that my BF got me. So this might not be that fun, or it might be awesome.
What are you talking about?
All my snacks, because worst case, if it's so cold I want to die tonight, I'm just gonna go in the tent and eat. So I eat a little more apple.
Can I bite?
Mm-hmm.
I only had saltines this morning.
That's disgusting. Shut the dang door. It's so cold. That's the love of my life, folks. That's the love of my life.
Y'all peep the new shoes.
I told on it.
You call that?
I told him a lot.
I'm wearing my Hokas today. These are the Speed Goats. Honestly don't know the last time that I wore these specific shoes. After running in the Ultras a little bit, I want to try the Hokas again. But in actuality, I really just wanted to pair with Aaliyah. I'm not dumb, I'm cute.
Listen, we're not finna be all slow on this.
Sub 45, baby, sub 45.
What's that mean?
Under 45 minutes.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
I'm not that.
You ready? All right, let's go.
I get to hold the baby after this. I get to hold the baby.
Want to go clockwise or counter?
I hate the cold. Whose idea was this?
Y'all are cold, ready to be done. I'm very cold, my hands hurt. We are usually stronger than this.
Wait, this is embarrassing. Don't know that embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing, it's real, it's authentic. So we just finished the red trail, 4.5 miles, well, 4.47. Did about 59 minutes. It's really cold. Myself and Alina are in a lot of pain, but the sun's out. I look good. Oh, Advil. Leaving Depot Trailhead. So cold, amazing run. And now to get to like the main point of the video, OX. I don't know if you've seen just my IG socials or my YouTube, but the name is now Keziah Franklin OX. What is OX exactly? OX stands for Outzide Xploration. My nonprofit that I'm starting, its sole purpose is to create a more inclusive, diverse, and accessible outdoor space. Like I said earlier, there just weren't a lot of people that I knew of doing the things that I was interested in. I believe the false narrative that because I saw no one doing things that I was interested in that looked like me, then it wasn't for me. I feel like that is one of the many just like, I don't know, to me that's like a bondage mindset, to live in that false reality, that false belief that something is not for you because you don't see it happening. That's been like the main ethos behind like everything I do. I just want to use my platform to spread the message that it doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter what race you are, it doesn't matter what demographic you come from, what your background, your lack of experience, lack of exposure, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. The outdoors is a space that should be all-encompassing, all-inviting, all-inclusive. And OX is me playing a small role, trying to do my part within that conversation of inclusion, of invitation, of diversity. OX, it will be an actual entity, it will be an actual nonprofit. We'll be hosting events in the city, running events, hiking, climbing, overlanding. And today actually, outside in collaboration with Cumberland Transit, we are hosting our first community campout. The campout will give kind of like a more in-depth look at to what Outside and Cumberland Transit is doing in the community to create a more communal, inviting outdoor space. I'm really hungry, starving, all that energy. I'm gonna get some food and get some breakfast, get all showered up, and I will take you guys along the road with me for when we get ready for the campout. Breakfast is secured. So Lady Bird got me some number 3s, also got me a chai latte. Oh, I think that the best thing you can drink, and this might be a hot take, the best thing you can drink when it's cold, hands down, is a chai latte. I didn't make the rules. Heading up to Cumberland Transit, that's where the majority of my outdoor gear is for the camp out today. Pick up Shannon, who you'll meet later. The low tonight is expected to be 21 degrees. Although this is a community camp out, it's also serving as a intro to camping camp out. So I'm really hoping that no one is deterred by the weather. Obviously, we can't control that, so I hope they're all cool. But there's gonna be a fire, we'll have s'mores, we'll have a lot of things, hot chocolate, coffee, just everything we can to keep everyone warm. So looking forward to it. Gonna go to Cumberland, gonna set everything up, and then head out to Bell's Bend. Pulling in Bales Bend Campground. Check in just in case. And they said the wagon is like behind here somewhere. Fortunately, the Jeep cannot go back to where the campsites are. We have to completely wagon and pull in everything, which is a first world problem, but we have a lot of stuff, so it would help if we could pull back there with the Jeep.
Don't have to sign in or anything. She said we're good to go. She pointed out the wagon. This guy offered to help.
Sweet.
Bring stuff down.
I will take it.
I don't know where to go.
Yeah, it's a trek.
She said the other parking lot might be closer.
The other parking lot? How you doing?
It's quite a ways down there. You'd be better at the other parking area.
I have 2 trunks with wheels on them, but everything else is gonna have to ride the wagon. Where's the other parking lot? I don't know.
Like the
one we just passed?
Yeah.
Copy.
So we have to go to the other parking lot. We're gonna unload all of this stuff. I'm gonna stay with this stuff that we're unloading at the trailhead. You're gonna come back up here, get the wagon wheelbarrow, so that we have the wagon wheelbarrow to get everything to this barn in the middle of the field that we can't access any other
You
way.
made that sound like 10 times more sketchy. That last statement of barn. This is the easiest way to go about it, guys.
Most direct.
Kind gentleman who should be unnamed because we don't know his name.
Full camo, don't know.
Full camo man. All right.
Here we go.
Okay, y'all, phase 1 is complete. Shannon and I packed the Jeep, well, the bulk of it, so we can get the wagon in here. There was a man that was very kind to help us. He's gonna help us get it down to the barn. He's very kind. I still don't know his name, so he's just kind of like, I'm here, put me to work. He's not even here for the camp out, guys. We're already off to a great start. I'm heading back down to get the wagon, come back, so we can easily carry everything down there. All right, trying to keep morale high. The wagon that they gave us is kind of a dud, not gonna lie. It's really old, handle keeps falling off. It wouldn't even fit in the Jeep. So I'm really hoping that this thing doesn't break on me as I proceed to now take it down to the campsite. On a high note though, this land looks super beautiful. Like, look at this. This looks gorgeous. Hope it's a good turnout. Hope people enjoy it. I know they'll enjoy it, but still. So we made it, me and Shannon, she's back there. We are now setting up. Pretty cool spot, actually. It's like multiple campsites in one. There's about 5 or so, maybe more, 5 actual tent platforms, but hey, where you can pinch your tent, that's where you're pitching your tent. Yeah! Your blanket on the back makes it look like a rucksack. No, well, I was gonna say that.
Maybe there's no like disinfectant.
I'd spend 30 minutes digging for at least one good.
Very sorry. I'm very sorry.
All right, y'all, we got the Jeep all packed up. Thank you to everyone who helped me pack up. We had a pretty good turnout. It was really cold, so I appreciate everyone that came out. It was below freezing. The low was like 20, 21, I believe. It might have hit like 19, 20. Hopefully next go around, it won't be so cold. And I'm just very appreciative of everyone that came out. So thank you again. I'm gonna end the video here. If you liked the video, please leave a like, please comment, and please subscribe. Like I said, this is the start of consistency. So yeah, see you guys outside in the next one. Bye.